Oh yeah, tell me that this is not a nice mechanical keyboard. This thing is hot swappable and you can get it in the TikTok shop right now for around $78. Now, this normally goes for around 85 to $90, and for the price you cannot beat it. This creamy sound, you cannot get it out of a box on any keyboard. And it has 2.4 gigahertz, it has Bluetooth. You can connect it through cable. It has different ways that you can set up the keyboard. Now, if you want to get one of these bad boys right here, just click on the link right on top of my name.